Hey, it's Jade here, and I want to ask you something important. How often have you felt interested in dipping your toes into crypto but held back because it just felt too risky? Maybe you've worried about scams, losing your keys, or even just making the wrong moves because you didn't fully understand the process. Well, you're not alone. I've been there. The good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. What if I told you there's a system that not only keeps your crypto safe, but also shows you how to earn with it confidently? It's called the Crypto Flow. And today I'm going to show you how I use Toolkit 5, Crypto Safety Starter Kit, to secure everything and turn crypto into an opportunity instead of a worry. Welcome to video 10 in the CashWave Strategy Vault. If you followed along so far, then your systems for creating passive income are either set up or well on their way. Now, it's time to talk about crypto. Not just securing it, but safely growing and even earning through it. Whether you're using it as an income stream, planning to invest, or just trying to stay ahead of the game, this video is for you. The tools and strategies I'll share today helped me go from being overwhelmed and confused about crypto to feeling confident and in control. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start building your own worry-free crypto flow. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Before we get to the tools, I want to share the 3 core programs that served as the foundation for my crypto confidence. These were instrumental in taking me from zero to clarity. 1. Intelligent Crypto VIP. This is where it all started for me. Before I even thought about earning with crypto, I needed to understand how to secure it. Intelligent Crypto VIP walked me through setting up everything step by step. From creating secure online and offline wallets, to understanding the risks of leaving funds on exchanges, this program left no stone unturned. Clear guidance. It's not just broad advice. Intelligent Crypto VIP gives you detailed video walkthroughs on how to set up and secure wallets like the Ledger Nano X. Confidence in action. I used their approach to shift my funds out of exchanges and safely into my cold wallet. With one simple step, I eliminated one of the biggest risks in crypto. 2. VIP Indicator Bundle. Once your crypto is secure, the next challenge is knowing when to make your moves. That's where the VIP Indicator Bundle comes in. This toolset acts like a GPS for your crypto trades, sending you clear data on when it's ideal to buy or sell. Data over emotion. Most crypto mistakes come from emotional decisions. These indicators helped me stick to the plan instead of reacting to every dip or surge. Real-time guidance. VIP's alerts are like having a coach in your corner, letting you grow your stack confidently. 3. Crypto Commissions Bonus. And here's where it gets even better. Crypto isn't just for holding. With crypto commissions, I learned how to earn affiliate payouts directly in crypto. Supplement your income. By promoting programs like Crypto VIP or tools like Ledger, you can build an additional income stream. Payments in crypto. Whether it's Ethereum or Bitcoin, receiving income in crypto opens doors to long-term growth. While those programs set the foundation, I couldn't have pieced it all together without these 4 tools. Every one of them played a role in making my system smooth, secure, and scalable. 1. Ledger Nano X. Offline protection. If you've heard of cold wallets, then you know the Ledger Nano X is a must-have. Why I use it. Funds stored in an offline wallet are untouchable by hackers. This tool gave me peace of mind that my assets were safe no matter what happened online. Easy to set up. Paired with the guides in Crypto VIP, I had everything running in under an hour. 2. DeepSeek Research Insights. Once I felt confident holding crypto, I wanted to explore new coins and opportunities, but safely. DeepSeek became my go-to tool for research. Simplified research. It takes the complexity out of understanding new coins, projects, or staking opportunities. Make data-driven decisions. Instead of guessing or relying on hype, DeepSeek showed me hard evidence of what was worth my time and money. 3. ChatGPT Simplifying the process. White papers, setup guides, staking instructions, they can be overwhelming. That's where ChatGPT came in. Break down complex text. I used ChatGPT to summarize coin white papers so I could quickly understand what I was investing in. Create clear plans. Whether it was a staking roadmap or organizing my wallet keys, ChatGPT made everything simple. 4. Brave Wallet, hot wallet for small transfers. For smaller transactions or staking, the Brave Wallet became my favorite. Lightweight and browser-based, perfect for quick moves without overcomplicating things. Fast and secure, my go-to wallet for small amounts that I needed easy access to. Each of these tools plays a big role even now. They aren't just backups, they're what make crypto manageable and secure. There was a time when none of this felt simple to me. I avoided crypto out of fear of making mistakes. Then, I jumped in the wrong way. I'll admit it, I fell for a scam. I lost funds and it felt like a wake-up call. That's when I realized I needed to approach crypto like a system, just like I do with affiliate marketing. When I joined Intelligent Crypto VIP, everything changed. The guides and walkthroughs took out the guesswork. For the first time, I felt confident holding crypto. From there, the VIP indicators taught me how to grow my stack without emotional trading. Once I added earning opportunities through crypto commissions, it all started coming together. Crypto stopped being about confusion or stress, and it became a system I trusted.